Welcome! Today in front of me I have the DJI Flip FLY MORE, and in this video I'll show how you can ping your aircraft or make your drone beep and, well, just flash the light so you can find it easier on this device. So first, you will need to enter the camera view on your remote controller. Now launch settings, enter the safety category and scroll this page down. Look for the Find My Drone page, then open it, and here you'll find the Start Flashing and Beeping button, which you need to press. And the drone is going to start producing a sound which will help you to locate, well, it easier in case you've lost it somewhere in the woods perhaps, or just relatively nearby, close to you enough that you will hear the sound. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.